Welcome back everyone. Today, we're taking a look at the 2026 Nissan Z, a fusion of power, precision, and cutting-edge design. This two-tone black and yellow masterpiece is built to deliver an exhilarating experience with its stunning performance, high-tech features, and unmatched road capability. The heart of this beast is a 400-horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 350 pounds-ft of torque at under 1,600 revolutions per minute. The aluminum alloy block and water-cooled intercooler ensure smooth and consistent power delivery. Whether you choose the upgraded 6-speed manual with Synchro Match or the 9-speed automatic with shift-by-wire controls, every drive feels precise and effortless. Designed to handle any road with ease, the Nissan Z features a performance-tuned chassis equipped with new monotube shocks and suspension refinements. The strong yet lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber composite components enhance agility, while the 19-inch bronze finish rays, forged alloy wheels, and yellow brake calipers provide stunning aesthetics and powerful stopping capability. These elements work together to create a stable and responsive ride, making every curve and straightaway a thrilling experience. Long-distance travel is seamless with its advanced transmission options and comfortable interior. The full digital dashboard with a dedicated sport mode display ensures you stay informed, while GT-inspired steering and the iconic triple-pod gauge cluster enhance the driving experience. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth music, and engine performance gauges, every journey is both entertaining and efficient. One of the biggest advantages of the Nissan Z is its launch control and mechanical limited slip differential, ensuring lightning-fast acceleration with minimal wheel spin. This technology guarantees the fastest, most consistent takeoffs, giving you confidence every time you hit the road. Whether you're on the highway or a track, the Nissan Z adapts effortlessly to your driving style. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Nissan Z delivers impressive mileage for a high-performance sports car. Its aerodynamic design, combined with the refined engine tuning, ensures that you get the best balance of power and economy, making it an excellent choice for both city driving and open-road adventures. Safety meets performance with an advanced suite of features. From high-performance braking systems to electronic stability control, the Nissan Z is engineered to keep you in control at all times. The structural rigidity and precisely tuned suspension provide a stable, secure ride, whether you're pushing the limits on the road or enjoying a relaxed drive. With its futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and performance that surpasses expectations, the 2026 Nissan Z stands out as a true competitor in the sports car segment. It redefines what it means to experience precision, agility, and pure driving excitement. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.